ربي زدني علما
ربي زدني علما
رب اشرح لي صدري
صدري
ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Good job. Assalamu alaikum.
السلام عليكم.
Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make
Play-Doh.
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 Okay, Hamza, can you please put your salt into your flour? You can dump the whole thing in there.
Okay. The whole thing.
You can pick it up and put it in there. Good job. Now can you mix this with your spoon? First we have our dry ingredients mixed. Now we're going to put this to the side. We have warm water. Can you put your food coloring in there, Hania? 5 drops, okay? Hamza, 5 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Good job, Hamza. Thank you.
अब क्या करना है?
अब इसको mix करो चम्मच के साथ. Mix it with a spoon. Mix it with a spoon. आराम से. Slowly and carefully so nothing falls out. Very slowly. Good job. Slowly. Good job. Now we're going to put our oil into the water. Put the oil into the water. Good job. Now mix it with your spoon. Slowly. 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 Now we're going to add your water mixture to your flour mixture. Good job. Yeah. Now, can you mix your mixture now? Slowly. Very slowly. Slowly. Yeah, like this. Round and round and round. Now we're going to mix the Play-Doh mixture with our hands so it can get really well incorporated together.
A final result. Now we will play with the Play-Doh.